Hello Year 8 and welcome to question 1 of your STEM Summer Learning Project. This question is all about space, and the question you need to answer is: Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest natural satellite in the solar system. Can life exist on Titan? Now, through your research into Titan, the general solar system, and what it takes for life to exist on planets, you will be graded on your effort, content and creativity for the project that you produce. Have a look through the next few slides, which gives you some information and some key pointers, and best of luck. To answer the question as to whether life can exist on Titan, you will need to consider a number of different things. First of all, you might want to look into what conditions are needed for life to exist. Following that, you'll need to match that up with what the conditions are like on Titan. We know that life exists on Earth, so what are the similarities between Titan and Earth? And then, why has life not been found elsewhere in the solar system yet? These are all areas that you could explore, plus many more of your own. As you complete this project, you'll become one of many people who have looked to see whether life is possible on Titan. Now, the first spacecraft to explore Titan was Pioneer 11 in 1979. Right up until 2004, astronomers had found it very difficult to see past Titan's hazy atmosphere, and this was through technology such as the Hubble Space Telescope, which you can see on the top right-hand side of the slide. In 2004, though, the Cassini spacecraft became the first man-made object to orbit Saturn, and for the first time we were able to see through the haze, that hazy atmosphere of Titan. Now, the video on the next slide will explain a bit about these missions and some of the information that you might need in terms of determining whether life on Titan is possible. So this is a slide we've put together so that you can hopefully have a starting point for your research. Remember, to get the best marks possible on your content and creativity, you will need to make sure that you've done your own research as well, but this should help point you in the right direction. Have a look through the videos that we've provided and also the useful websites on the right hand side. There's an enormous amount of content out there that you can have a look at, and like I said, this is just the starting point. On this slide, you'll find some ideas of how you might want to present your work. You can present it in any way you like. You are not limited to the suggestions that we're giving on this slide. Have a think about what best allows you to get your marks in the content, effort and creativity criteria, and the one that means that you can best answer the question of whether life can exist on Titan or not.
We have got some incredibly exciting summer homework projects planned for you guys. So there are 2 projects available for each year group, one under the heading of STEM and the other a year of seismic change. It's really important that you answer one question from each of these projects. When you go onto our website and have a look at some of these questions, you will find they are incredibly interesting and provide you with an opportunity to research and create some fantastic project ideas. You will be wondering how your projects will be marked. So in September, form tutors will mark each project based on the following criteria: effort, content and creativity. They will award a grade 1 to 4 in each category, with 1 being outstanding. Just want to give you a few top tips on how you can achieve an outstanding grading in each of these. It's really important that as part of your research that you do for each of these projects, that you show that you have gone above and beyond. Present your work in a creative and unique way to catch the attention of your audience, and think about the content that you include within each project. It's really important that the content that you include answers the question that has been set to you. For every grade 1 you achieve, your name will be entered into a prize draw. There's a separate prize draw for each category: effort, content and creativity. And if you get a grade 1 in all 3, you will have the chance to enter a 4th prize draw. So to the best bit then, how will you be rewarded? So for completing each project, you will receive 25 credits from your form tutor. So 25 credits for the STEM project and 25 credits for completing a year of seismic change project. So in total, by completing these 2 projects, you will be eligible for 50 credits come September. That is equivalent to a bronze certificate. In addition to the 50 credits, there's a fantastic opportunity here for you to win an Apple iPad. Now, there are 4 prize draws available to you depending on the grading you secure on effort, content and creativity. If your form tutor awards you with a grade 1 for any of the 3 categories, your name will be entered into the prize draw for these. Additionally, if you achieve a grade 1 in effort, content and creativity, all 3 criteria, your name will be entered into a 4th prize draw as well, increasing your chances of winning an iPad. Both projects will be marked separately, therefore there is an opportunity here for your name to be entered 8 different times. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact your academy by the info@ email address. We are incredibly excited about these projects and cannot wait to see the work that you produce. And most importantly, we can't wait to welcome you back in September.